lovely day in the Traeger hood. Traeger sent over some products that I'm opening because guess what? Great news, the Traeger flat top griddle is here. It's called the Flatrock griddle. So many words to remember. For some reason I can't get them all straight in my head, but I'm excited to do some box openings with you, and I'm just gonna sit down because this is awkward. And so in another video I showed you the essential kit that came up with some squeeze bottles, cool little like hibachi style spatulas and a scraper to use, and this is another accessory that they sent for the Flatrock griddle. Let's open it up. This is the grill cover, and it says that it is a protective cover for Traeger Flatrock grill. It's heavy duty, 400D abrasion resistant polyester. It is all weather, heat resistant, which is awesome because we are in Dallas and it gets freaking hot out there. One thing I like about it already, just looking on the outside of the box, is that it has zippers to secure it around the grill, which I think is good because we've lived in some windy places, Dallas included, and not for the Traeger, but for other grills we've had, sometimes our grill cover will like end up at the neighbor's house because a big gust of wind will come. So I like it already, but let's open it up and check it out. There we go. There we go. All right. I think whenever you're buying any sort of a grill, you always need to get a grill cover. I like to get the covers that specifically match the grill. I like when they have the logo. I don't know, I like to see like all my equipment out there, even if I'm not using it all at once, all set up, like ready to go. I know what it is when looking at it, especially when you have as many grills as we do. Bam! Let's see. Do not use a grill cover while the Flatrock grill is in use. I love the common sense that you have to put in there for legal purposes. I love it. Okay, and it says do not store the cover underneath your flat rock flat top grill. Such a tongue twister. Wait for the flat top grill to cool before covering it. And there's some tricks. You need to place the grill shelves in down position before covering your grill. Good tip. It says you need to unzip the zipper on the side of the cover, then pull the cover over the grill using the orange handles. Cool. I see the handles. And that's pretty much it. I feel confident we can use a grill cover. Whoa! It's big, very big. Whew! Look at that. Okay. We're gonna show you the setup of the grill in another video. So we're gonna set up the Traeger Flatrock grill in a separate box opening and setting up video, just to be specific with that. But I'm gonna show you the end result, which is this grill cover on the grill. So let's just see how it opens. And then the next clip will be hopefully a seamless opening. I think it's gonna go well. I don't really like building stuff, but in the name of eating and food, I will build a grill. All right, great. Yeah. Using the cover for the first time. It matches the other covers, but seems a little bit darker of a gray.
It's also a little bit lighter.
It's lighter weight?
Yeah.
Okay. It has zippers. The others don't have zippers. Yep. And that's it. You want to give it a hug? I know you loved it so much.
Yeah, it was good.
There you go. Bye. Gonna hit it with some mozzarella. Now I'm gonna add some cheddar on top, and I still have to add my topping. delicious.